Jerry. Today I will take you to visit our factory online. Our company, SRS Packaging, is specialized in manufacturing cosmetic packaging, mainly produce raw bottle, plastic jar, and airless bottle. This is our mold workshop. We can design the product as per your request. After you confirming the drawings, we can open the new mold for customization. This is our injection workshop. We have more than 10 injection machines. The bottle and the plastic cap are injected from the machine. And usually for the roller bottle, we do injection custom color directly. There are glossy and frosted surface for your choice. This is our assembled workshop, or is automatic. Automatic machine can assemble the roller ball with holder. Also can make the plastic inner ball into the aluminum outer cap. This is our warehouse. For each carton, there is a big PP bag. Also, we'll put a cardboard onto the top of the carton, so that can protect products from. If you have any interest, welcome to visit our factory. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.